Is that
Okay.
Tabby and BB and Baby?
Yeah, if you hear my friend, we're gonna be playing Bee Swarm, and he's gonna teach me how to play because I don't know how to play.
Yeah, he does not know how to play, guys.
Yeah, guys, I do not know how to play.
Okay, he is fine.
I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna go claim my hive because it says arrow. Okay, claim hive. Okay, now what? But what do I do?
Okay, I will show you how to play. So you get this egg and you put it inside the hive slot. Oh my god.
But where's the egg though? Where's the egg? Where's the egg? I'm gonna
It's a factory.
wait, am I? Oh, basic egg. An ordinary usually hatches into a basic bee. Okay, let's see. Basic bee? Wow! This is actually flabbergasting. Now what? Shut up! Wait.
And then we always collect something that I recommend
Okay.
and then you can say you never back down wherever it was.
Oh my god, it's a bug. It hurts. Stop talking like you're gonna say it's a big shot. What is that? This obby is so hard. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh yes, I finally found it. Royal Jelly. Transforms into a bee into a random rare, epic, or legendary. Wait, what is the map? No, wait, I have no quest. Hey, but how? In my inventory? Oh, I see how you do it. Honeybee. Oh wait, it's well, stop talking about Bodhi Basic. Also, why is this guy Arrow? He's like Arrow. Hi, I'm Black Bear. You look like a promising new honey maker. I happen to be a honey consumer. This means I know a lot about honey, and if you're willing to go through my chain, you'll be making a tons of honey in no time. First, collect 100 pollen in the sunflower field. Is this a sunflower field? Bro, stop talking like Bodhi Basic. Ooh, bro, it's another bear. It's a woman bear, a mother bear. Hello, there's a new beekeeper. I am Mother Bear. Pleased to meet you. My cubs are away at camp, but I still can't help but need to nurture. I've been taking to caring for my bees of this mountain and my own children. I'm going to teach you about bee leveling and bond you share with your bees. Your bees are more than just making honey tools, you know. They have emotions too. As they grow closer to you, they become better workers. As the bond with you increases, they level up. Higher levels bees gather more pollen and produces more honey. They also have more energy, move faster, and defend you from higher monsters. You can increase your bond with a bee by gathering pollen from fields they like, from defeating bugs and monsters, and give them for treats. Here's a treat so you can test it out. Go to your hive. Yeah, I already know how to do that. But wait, I didn't read it.
How do you know?
Man, I don't like reading. Cause you showed me how to drag. And this woman bear. I'm gonna call her woman bear. This woman bear wants me to feed this guy. Oh my god, he's level 2! Let's go! Wait, what? Wait, my back. Wait, pollen container full. Go to hive to make honey. Okay. Mother bear. Yes, exactly. I can just skip it.
Did you just realize that?
Yeah, obviously. Cuckoo head. I'm the better beekeeper. I have 200 backpacks. Oh yeah, 200 honey. Let's go. Bro, how did you get like a million billion bees?
I just did.
What are these blue bees and these purple bees and these green bees and these white bees and these bees that looks like bees? What about these yellow bees that have yellow around them? What do I do? What's a rare? What's a? It says it's wait. It says you wait. It says you. Yeah, I'm doing this. I'm gonna do this quest again. It says you planted a rare sprout. Because it said in the bottom. Mother bear. Different types of bees have different. Yeah, I don't care. I just want to see what happens. Okay, her quest is. Oh, I want raise 2 bees. How do I get 2 bees? Hey. No, I wanted another bee. I wanted the mother's bear quest. Because mother's bear quest is easier. But I don't know how to do it. Okay. I'm done. Now what? I'm gonna go sell my pony. How do you get more bees?
I'll show you how. You see, go over here behind you. Look, you buy eggs.
Okay. How many eggs should I buy?
Right,
1, 2, 3. I can buy 3. Okay. 3 basic bees it is. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I have a question. There we go. I did it. How do I get one of those royal jellies again? You're not helping me. So what are these shrooms?
You're gonna find them.
Are these the push? Are these the mushrooms from Plants vs Zombies?
Yes, it's a reference.
No, seriously. Where is royal jelly? Ooh, there's red. What about over here?
Over here.
Oh, what is this? Ticket! But I don't care about ticket. I want royal jelly. Me. Okay, but I don't have enough. It says I need 6. Royal jelly, right there. What is it? Right here. Right next to this, like brown bear. Oh yeah, I heard of royal jelly. Because the chance this always be rare, epic, or legendary. Well, I happen to have a lot of royal jelly. Don't ask. I got it. If you complete my quest, I'll give you some. We're only 1 quest per hour. Talk to me again whenever you're ready for a quest. I'm ready for a quest. Yeah, right? Wait. Okay. Dang, this is a lot. Also, how do I get that royal jelly?
You need some better grip.
Who is this?
You need a new item to go inside there.
Whatever. Is there a way to increase my shovel and my pickaxe?
Go to the shop.
Where is the shop?
I did finish being mine.
Also, I gotta try to charge my iPad, so bye. There we go. Wait, let me sell my pollen real quick.
Okay.
If you tell me if you find any royal jellies or any royal jellies I can get. I want some royal jellies. Shop. Wait, there. Shop. It's shop. Shop.
We found that.
Okay, now what? Oh wait, I wanna get the jar with the clippers. I need the clippers for the vines, right? I mean, I guess I get the vines. I want these clippers. I want these clippers. But where are you going? How did you die?
I didn't die. I just so.
Yeah, this is way better. I like this. Yeah, I'm done with my black bear. Okay, where's the blue? Oh wait, the blue flower fruit is right here because it's blue. Okay.
Hey, you should go where the sunflowers are.
But I don't know what the sunflower field is. I like this. This game is this game. I actually kind of like this game, but I want more beats. Wait, what is this? I press this. Enter promo codes. Bear bee. I want bear bee. I want bear bee. You can get silver egg, gold egg, diamond egg, star egg, mythical egg. Okay, I'm going to the sunflower field now. Man, you should have told me.
I did!
Come on, bees. Get the honey out of me and put it inside the comb.
Puppies told us some spoiler thing.
Spoiler thing?
Spoiler.
What is he gonna spoil your episodes? You're gonna be like, never guessed that. Yeah, I like Saturday better. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's like green. It's like green. The sunflower. Royal jelly? Wow, how is green? What? What? Oh, I want that. Royal jelly? Oh no. Well, how many royal? I got one royal jelly. That's good. I'm gonna feed it to my basic bees. So, okay, Mother Bear. Yeah, they are coming attached to me. Thank you, Mother Bear. Actually, give me your quest. Yeah. Oh, I have a sunflower seed. Yeah, that's good.
Let's see. We'll take more rides.
Okay, I'm gonna feed my royal jelly. This guy. bee. Wait, what? He has a bomb? No. Oh man, I'm not done. Yes! Let's go! I'm so bam bam. Pop pew. Pew 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 pew. Yo, Eerie, when do you think I should end the recording? Uh-huh. Right now? Right now, bro. Okay. How about this? If I get 5 bees, I'll end the recording. Because I think that's a pretty good thing. Oh, wait, what? I got a bumblebee from the egg. Okay. Yes, okay. I'm gonna end my recording now. Oh, bye guys.